So hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to see round 659 problem A. So starting off with the problem statement, it says that we have suppose multiple strings. Okay, so what we actually do have to do is, suppose we have n plus 1 strings s1 s2 s up to sn plus 1, and we'll be having some numbers which are a1 a2 up to an, and what we have to do is that a1 indicates the number of longest common prefix between S1 and S2, right? And we have to make such possible strings like S1, S2 up to Sn plus 1. For example, let's have one case which is 1, 2, 4 and 2. So let's take the case of 1. Okay, why it is not working? So let's take, yeah, so 1, 2, 4 and 2. So it says that I will have 5 strings which is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. So if I have strings S1 and S2, so it should have the maximum length of prefix as 1. If I have S2 and S3, so it should have maximum prefix length of 2. S3 and S4 should have 4. S4 and S5 should have 2. So if I built my string myself by like thinking anything, so let me mark every letter of this string as A. Now you might ask, Arun, how much the length is big? So I don't know why this letter is very light, but yeah, let's make it dark. Yeah, now it is dark. So let me see that if yeah, encoding is not. So I have these letters. Now you might ask what is maximum length of this. So as you can clearly see that A1 it can maximum go up to 50. So what you can do is, you know that the longest prefix which it can be there, so it can be at max of length 50. So I will make this string of length like nearly 52. So at max, if at 50 it stops, then still I should have at least 1 2 letters for my safety. So now I made this string of AA of length 52. Now the second thing, which when I'm going to make the string s2, so I will see, okay, I have only one letter which should be same, which means I will print a here, I have to print a here. But now I need to make this string, remaining string, to something else. So because see, if I make this a only, then it will break my rule which I stated in the beginning. So I will make this b. And I only wanted to make the strings a s1 and s2, so I will mark my rest of the strings with b only. Okay, very fine. Now it's the step for s3. So s2 and s3 should have 2 as same at the starting, so a and b should be same. Now I want to have a break at this b, which means I want that it should not be same. So what I do, that in starting, if I had a, so I made it to b. Now what I will do, if I had b, I will make it to a back, and remaining I will print just a. Very fine. Okay. Or you can also do one thing, that you can have this same string which is wanted to break here. Okay. So for breaking you can do anything. So what I adopted a strategy was to use the letter. If it is A, so I will use B for breaking. If it is B, I will use A for breaking. Now for S4, what I need is, I need 4 prefix length to be same, which means A, B, A, it should be same. Now it is B, so I will make all others as B. Very fine. If I have S5, then if it is of length, like we want the prefix of length 2, so I will just copy AB. Now it is A, so I want to break here basically, so I will just write B, and so on and so forth up to length 52. So I hope that you guys have got the strategy, intuition, whatsoever you want to say. So let's first of all see that, yeah, it is. Let's publish it. So it is a problem C which you guys wanted. So yeah, as I had this, so what I will do, I will first make my S1, and with the help of S1 I will make my S2 by using the help of A1, and so on and so forth. I will go on up to my S of 5. So let's see the code. So first of all I input my n, which is the number of, like, a1 up to an, that. Then I input my a1 up to an, which indicates the longest prefix which it can be there. Then I had my string, which is the basic a, like I have the array of strings and arr of 0. So it is the initial one, it is arr of 0, then the next one will be arr of 1, and so on and so forth up to n, which means n plus 1 strings. Then what I will do is, I will iterate from 1 to n, because see I have this arr of 0, which means the first string I have of length 53, right, which has all a's. Then what I will do is, for the length ai, understand, for the length ai I will have all the letters as same as that of arr of I minus 1. I will have all these letters as same, right? And as I said that the rest of the letters I will mark opposite, which means if it is B, then I will mark all the letters, remaining letters as A, and if it is A, then I will mark my all the remaining letters as B. And at last, I just wanted to print this array of strings as my answer. So I hope that you guys have understood it, although it is a pretty easy problem. And the interesting part about this round was the B problem was much harder than C and D, and like I wasted nearly around 1 hour in B to like to sort to write its code, because basically I understood the logic but I was not able to write to code. So yeah, let's also see the other problem and see you guys in the next video. Bye.